Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I am Sabit from Code Revolution. So today I will be showing you a free tool that will be helping you with link building. So link building is very important if you want to maximize your SEO efforts for your websites. So you must do link building and to gather more and more links which are relevant and which have impact in your niche. So for this you will have to have some blog posts, and I recommend using AppSumo's tool Postaga. So I'm not sure how you read this. I read it Postaga. You can also read it Postaga and other funny names. However, let's get it now because it is free. I logged in with my account, get free by processing, view product. Okay, see, so here we can redeem this, and we are now at Postaga with AppSumo. So let us register here. I already registered. I log into my account and I get back to you guys soon. Okay, so I logged in here to my dashboard, and what I can do is straight go ahead and create a campaign. So click this big button, click let's go. You can click no because I am here to help you. And now we can give the campaign a name. You can leave it at its default value, and here are the campaign types. So depending on what you wish to do, you can select a mention campaign, a resource campaign, roundup, skyscraper, and many more. So if you want your blog post to be mentioned on other websites which you linked to, then you can use this mention default campaign type. Also resources, if you want to reach out to sites with resource pages and offer your post to be added to the resources there, you can click this. Roundup, if you want to reach out to sites with link roundups and get your link added there. Or skyscraper, this is very interesting campaign type where you reach out to sites with old links and with outdated links, and you can try to pursue the site owner to replace the old link with your link. So but however, you can leave the default dimension type, and this will work also very well. If you have a product or service that you can promote, you can use also these types of campaign types, but today let's go with the default one, the mention type. And here you will have to enter your URL, your post URL. So for this, let us go ahead and go to my blog, and there I will select a blog post URL which will be used here in Postaga. Okay, so let's switch to my blog, and here we can, for example, click on this example post. I could have selected any post from here and copy its URL, go to Postaga and add the URL here. So you should add a post URL here and click get outbound links. And what will happen now is that this tool will search the post for links that are outbound from your site. So this means that it will search for links that you added to your post which are from other websites. So if you added, for example, a link from WP Dev, then it will list it here, and it will provide you with contact details to the admin of the sites that you linked here. So it is a really great idea behind this tool here, the Postaga tool, and yeah, it will provide you with contact details of people you link to. And also it will soon provide a method to reach out to these people, telling them that, hey, look, I wrote this cool blog post where I mentioned you. It would be lovely if you could also write a blog post about my site if you wish, and something similar. So when the processing is complete, then we will have the contact details of these people to which we linked, and we will get also some message templates to send them. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. So we still have two links that were not analyzed yet, and it is finished. So here it is, outbound links, and if we scroll to the top here, we see post title. The Postaga tools automatically analyze our site, and here are the contact details. And if we click get contacts, then we can search for contacts here, and we will also have the option to directly email them. So if I clicked here get contacts, we will get here listed the contacts for the websites that we have here added to our list. So securityphp.net, I don't think it's much worth emailing them there, so I will delete this. Font Squirrel, CryosWeb, WP, MUDev, this is also a larger website. I don't think I have much to gain from emailing them. And we have here two emails that we got from the links that are added to the site. So this is my blog post. I will link it in this video description so you can give it and try and check it. So also Postaga will be linked in the video's description, so give it a try, guys. Okay, so now the email sequence will be here, and we can select an email sequence what we want to get. So mention swap guest post, mention share request, and so on. So each and every email template will provide us with an email that we can send directly to the people that we found. So Postaga will automatically tell the email reader that, hey Ethan, Subwell Cistvan here from Code Revolution, and so on. So I just wrote a blog post about your cool site, and it will be lovely if you would also be able to add my site to your website or create a new blog post with my site. And we can send only test mails with this tool. But if we enter the contact detail of the correct contact detail of the website owner and send a test email, he will get the email like similarly like how we can send it here. So let me send myself a test email and show you guys how this will look. So send, and test email was sent. So hey Ethan, okay, and so on. So all that is added more than I saw there in the template is this. We use Postaga to supercharge our outreach. And this was sent to Ethan here from Font Squirrel, and he got my email that, hey, I linked to you and it would be great that you would link back to me. Also, as you saw here, that there were also other examples like Skyscraper, Humor, which is really great. So hey Ethan, here's the deal. You wrote a great article, but it links to an old article, and this should be replaced with the old article URL. Your readers are getting stale info, and yeah, it should be replaced with my link, and so on. So yeah, this is the free version of Postaga. You can go ahead and use it. Also, you can upgrade for $19 and you will get the full offer for this tool. And yeah, otherwise it is a really great tool to have for link building. And you can reach out to people and you can create more links that link back to your site. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tool that I found and you will find it also helpful. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I create a new video each day at 7 p.m. GMT, and hit also the bell notification to get notified about them. Thank you for watching. Until then, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.